Hey guys, I hope you have wonderful day. So today I have great news. Namecheap has a lot of offers and discounts. So this is huge chance. They do this for because of current situation. So if you want to buy some domain, you can buy it for $5.88 per year .com domain. So that is huge opportunity. uh, so only you have to copy this coupon code to clipboard and purchase the domain. Also you can get 70% discount of hosting. So I highly recommend to, if you buy this, I highly recommend to buy this Stellar Plus package because it has unlimited website. You can host unlimited website. Also you can add SSL certificate. They give SSL certificate, 50 SSL certificate for this package. Also you can create unlimited email account on this hosting. So only you have to copy this coupon code, and I will go through the process. Before that I will show you other offers. So there is lot of offers. Let me put the link on description, so you can come to this page and check the description. So I will show you how to buy this shared hosting stellar package. So first of all you have to click on the link and come to this page. After that click on this coupon code. After that click on buy now. Then it will show $29 $29.228 dollar for this hosting. But we have coupon code. When we purchase this, we can add the coupon code. Okay, now you have to choose. If you purchase new domain, you have to choose new domain name, or if you already have domain, click on existing domain name. Then you have to log in. So yeah, you have to log in. If you want to find new domain, you can search your click on new purchase and search your domain here. If you pick for exist domain, click on here and sign in. I already have an account of Namecheap, so I signed it with that account. If you don't have account, you can just sign up by clicking here. Okay, I sign in and I select exist domain name. Then I select I purchase that domain name from other hosting providers or other domain providers. So if you purchase that domain from Namecheap, you can click here, but I click this one and I add the domain name. My domain name will be the West Chance here.com. This is fake domain name, so I just want to go through the process. Then I click on connect to hosting. After that I click on add to cart. Then I can select 1 year or 1 month, but I highly recommend to buy 1 year, and you can apply your coupon code. Then click on apply. After that your subtotal will be 16.88 cents. So this is really huge opportunity. Now only you have to click on confirm order and pay for your hosting using PayPal or any other online payment method like credit card. Okay, this is a really huge opportunity. I don't know this opportunity like this will come again, so definitely don't miss this chance. There is link on description, so just click on it and come to this page. Also it's affiliate link. That means if you buy that link or buy that link, I will get some commission. So so thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in next one. Bye bye.